Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute, simple, easy flowers. They work up in no time and they have a very cute textured center. So to get started, you're going to need a size H 5mm crochet hook and some medium worsted weight yarn, a size 4 yarn. These flowers are really cute to adorn headbands and any project, and they measure about 4 by 4 inches. So to begin, we're going to make a magic circle. I'm going to do that one more time just to show you. This is how I make my magic circle. I wrap it around my fingers once, and then I go under the top loop and grab the next loop and just hold it in place. So we're going to chain 1 and single crochet 10 into your circle. Now we're going to pull our circle to close, slip stitch into the first stitch, and we're going to chain 12, and then slip stitch into the same stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 12, slip stitch into the same stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 12. We're just repeating in this way all the way around. And slip stitch into the same stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. And you can see our petals are forming. And we're just going to continue this chain 12, slip stitch in the same stitch, slip stitch in the next, and just keep working in this way till we get right back to the beginning, and I will meet you right back. So I finished working in all my loops around. I'm just going to slip stitch into the last stitch, and we can fasten off. You can leave a long tail if you're planning on sewing it onto a headband or something, and weave in the back end. So you can leave your flower as is, or if you would like to create a textured center in the middle, we are going to do that separately and sew it on. So to do that, we're going to chain 15, and now we're just going to slip stitch into each of the chains across. And now we're going to fasten that off, leaving a long tail. Okay. And take your tapestry needle. I'm going to weave in the small end. And fasten that off. Then I'm going to start at this end, and we're just going to curl up the center. So this is our right side is facing up, and we're just going to curl it in a circular motion. Probably should have started with that threaded. Okay, so we're going to do a circular motion, and then we're going to sew the middle together. So we're going to go all the way around, sewing through our top and our bottom parts of the circle so it stays together. And just go up and down. So now that we're all secure, we're going to lay our center in the middle of our flower, and we're going to sew in and out all the way in each stitch around so we can attach our center onto our flower. And this just gives a nice, interesting, textured center for just a little more added detail. So we're going to sew that on and then weave it in on the back, fasten off. And there you have your flower. And again, you can sew it on to anything you'd like to adorn your projects and give it a nice, beautiful touch. I will post the written pattern into the link in the description to my blog. And please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.